studying. Hassan, you have work, or you have self-employed, or you have to, okay, 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 okay. Okay, me also, after maybe after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, I gonna sleep. Business. You have business. You have business to, with your parents, with your father, or with your parents, transportation. Very good. Very good, very good, Asan. Very good. You have business. So someday you have a millionaire. Inshallah. Okay. Are you a Christian or are you a Muslim?